Sarah Huckabee Sanders and Education Secretary Jacob Oliva hit with a lawsuit today over the LEARNS Act. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rolly Hoyt.
And I'm Faith Witter. Teachers and students angry over how the state abruptly discredited an AP African American Studies course are suing, saying the sweeping educational law is unconstitutional. THV 11's Ashley Godwin has those details.
They're not just trying to erase civil rights history, African American history, they're trying to erase the state's history.
Yeah. Attorney Mike Lowe has filed a lawsuit against Governor Sarah Sanders and Education Secretary Jacob Oliva. The lawsuit claims Section 16 of LEARNS, which bans indoctrination of students, is unconstitutional, infringing on the First and 14th Amendments. At the center of the lawsuit, a Central High School teacher and her students.
We must turn this around and turn this humiliating spotlight from us.
Ruthie Walls has received pushback from the state over her AP African American Studies, which it says could be indoctrinating kids with critical race theory.
Initially, I was shocked, but I turned around and I quickly gathered my thoughts, and I went back to my room to start preparing. I knew I had 100 students showing up, and regardless of what the state did, those students were coming Monday, and they deserve an education.
The African American Studies course is still taught at Central and 5 other schools in the state, but only as a local elective course. The state does not cover the costs of students to take the AP test. One of her students, Sadie Reynolds, is also included in the lawsuit.
I've never felt shamed in Miss Walls' classroom about learning about another perspective. It's just what has happened in our history.
Governor Sanders responded to the lawsuit saying, "In the state of Arkansas, we will not indoctrinate our kids and teach them to hate America or each other. It's sad the radical left continues to lie and play political games with our kids' futures." The lawsuit asks for the courts to declare this unconstitutional, to prevent the state from further enforcing it, and provide damages to Ruthie Walls and the students.
I want my students to receive credit.
In Little Rock, Ashley Godwin, THV 11 News.
The College Board, the nonprofit that administers advanced placement courses and tests, faced criticism of its initial pilot course that did include an option to discuss critical race theory.
And they changed it after the state of Florida, where Secretary Oliva worked before last year, moved to ban the course there.